Today I'm going to show you how to make Raspberry Ripple Cupcakes with Vanilla Buttercream. For the cupcakes you will need 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of self-raising flour, 3 eggs, 175 grams of margarine or butter, 75 grams of frozen raspberries, and 1 teaspoon of red food colouring. So firstly, what you want to do is break up your frozen raspberries. I did try to do this with a fork, but they kind of went everywhere, so to be honest I just found it easier to get my hands in there and just break them up with my hands. It's why I would recommend using frozen raspberries rather than fresh, because fresh you're just going to mush them, whereas the frozen it should be that all those tiny little individual parts of the berry break apart. To a bowl, to your caster sugar add your butter or margarine and mix until well combined. Then add your eggs and mix well. And then add your flour and again mix really well until you have a nice batter formed. And then what you want to do is you want to split your batter in half into separate bowls. And then to one half of your cake batter you want to add your frozen raspberries and your red food colouring and mix until well combined. And then to a cupcake baking tray lined with cupcake cases, you want to spoon in some of your raspberry cake mixture and then spoon in some of your plain cake mixture until each cupcake case is full. And then you just want to swirl the two together, so I used a knife, but you can use a toothpick if you want. Then you want to pop them in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for about 18 minutes. And then you want to make your buttercream. So for your buttercream you will need 200 grams of icing sugar, 90 grams of butter cubed and at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of red food colouring. So you want to put your butter into your icing sugar and you want to mash the butter in as much as you can so it's as combined as it possibly can be. So this is the way to do it with a fork and a bowl. However, if you do have a mixer, by all means go for it and chuck it in a mixer. But I do like to show the way of doing things without equipment. So once you've mashed in your butter as much as it possibly will do, you want to add in your vanilla extract and a little bit of milk at a time until it comes together as a buttercream. And then once it is together as a buttercream, you want to split the buttercream in half. And then to one half, you want to add a little bit more milk until it is the consistency you want. And then to the other half, you want to add your red food colouring. So I did use really cheap red food colouring because it was what I had in the cupboard. But to be honest, it did not give me the colour I wanted. I wanted a more red colour and you can barely make it out. What I would suggest is you can get kind of a gel food colouring instead, and I would recommend using that instead rather than the kind of water-based food colouring. It is a bit more expensive, but you're going to get such a better colour for it. Otherwise, what you can do is you don't have to do the red food colouring and you just do a vanilla buttercream without faff. And then once you have your 2 buttercreams ready, you then want to layer them in a piping bag with a piping tip, so then you get that 2-tone colour as you pipe. And then you simply want to pipe them on top of your cupcakes. So if you don't have a piping bag, then you can just put the icing on top and spread it. If you were to do that with the 2 colours, I would suggest putting the coloured half on one side, the non-coloured, like the yellowy white colour on the other, and then just kind of spreading them together so they kind of mix in the middle. And there you have it. That's how you make Raspberry Ripple Cupcakes.